Wow. Open, open, open. Ano ba yan?
Who's that Pokemon?
Wow, blue.
Who's that Pokemon? Oh! Oh, diba sumat mo? Lucario! Hey! Look at that!
Another one.
We got ourselves a Lucario.
Saan naman na?
The next one. I don't think this is how you open the box. But yeah, at least you can open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. This one is a great ball. Oh,
Wow, red.
we got a Pokeball. Earlier we got a great ball. Magugustuhan ba ito ni Kuya Jake? Paborito niya paborito niya ba yung ano?
Wow.
Take a first look. Because I love you more.
Oh.
Who is this? Who is this? Vulpix. Hey, got ourselves a... Aw, man. Kung sana Great Ball to, makukuha natin yung Ninetales.
Ganda rin.
At kung sana nakuha din natin yung Great Ball, makukuha din natin si Snorlax. Makukuha na sana natin si Snorlax. Ito yung base form ni Ninetales. Magbili ka pa ng isa para makuha natin si Snorlax. Yay!
Isa pa.
I'm just gonna put you in here. So like, sabi din dito para maano. May clip din pala.
Wow.
I'm afraid. Oh crap. That ain't good. Oh, belt. I don't have a belt. But